Meaning of finial.
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 Finial. A finial is an ornament or decorative feature that is typically found at the top of various structures such as furniture, posts, and buildings. It is often made of wood, metal, stone or other materials and serves both a functional and aesthetic purpose. The finial can add visual interest to an object and also provide a finishing touch by covering the end of a post or rod. In architecture, a finial may also serve as a decorative element on top of a spire or a dome. Overall, a finial is a small but important detail that adds beauty and elegance to many different types of objects and structures.